Mechanics is the course in mechanical engineering department, but it's open to all majors. So we learn about food, the significance of creativity and new inventions in food. We also learn about plant structures, muscle structures, how we absorb nutrients.
It's a class that evolved based upon the idea that mechanics actually can affect food. You chop, you slice, you cut, and it actually can change the food itself. So we are at Fet-Fisk, which is a James Beard nominee here in Pittsburgh.
We travel here as a group to meet the nationwide famous chefs in person and learn about their story of why they opened the restaurant, as well as the daily logistical operations of the restaurant.
Chef Nick was kind enough to give us a behind-the-scenes tours and answer lots of questions for this class. Extremely creative guy, and was very exciting to just hear the way he talked about what he did, the way he thought, and his famous restaurant and what he does here.